Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sajid Mashid and welcome back to the Food Street. Today I thought I'll show you how you can make a perfect restaurant style mango salad. And these are all the items that we would need. So let's get it started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let's get it started. सबसे पहले हम sauce बनाएंगे, and to make a sauce we need a clove of garlic जिसको fine chop कर लिया था. So we can add it into the bowl. Next up, we will add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. आप इसमें real lemon का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और मैं lemon juice का इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ. Next up, we will add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, we'll add salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Half teaspoon जाएगी इसमें red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon sesame seed oil. 1 to 2 fine chopped green chili, or as per your taste. And now we are going to mix everything till sugar is dissolved. So our sauce is now finally ready, and this is what we are gonna use to make the perfect mango salad. So now let's make our perfect mango salad. What I have done is एक मैंगो ले लिया जो कि जूलियन कट में है, यानी लंबे स्लाइसेस, और इसको हम ऐड कर देंगे एक बिग बोल में. Then we are going to add red bell pepper. कैप्सिकम ऐड करेंगे हम इसके अंदर, थोड़ी सी इसमें कैबेज जाएगी. And fine chopped coriander. इसमें ड्राई फ्रूट का भी इस्तेमाल होता है. I'm going to use walnut. You can use cashew nut or anything else if you like. And now we are going to add our sauce on the top. And let's mix everything. And our perfect mango salad is ready, so let's give it a taste. So guys, our amazing mango salad is ready. It looks incredibly amazing, and it would be, I'm very excited to eat, so let's give it a try. Let me grab something. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let's try. Amazing. So the taste overall, everything is exactly just what you find in most of the restaurants. So guys, give it a try, and I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.